I got lost for a second. Where'd the shell go? Oh god, the dog's in the room. Things aren't gonna go good for the cat cam. Hey dog, go away. Or not. Cat cam equals dog cam. What did I do to change my mod icon? I donated to Frankerface Z. Then I donated to him, and then he told me there was a mod icon you can do. So I made it, and I made it the spin block, because I couldn't think of anything else. So yeah, mod icon. Do you like it? This is terrifying. Holy shit. Dude, dog cam is too OP. Dude, the dog is like in my fucking face right now. Also, where did Yoshi go? I'm like not paying attention. Can I kill myself? Dog, go away. Dog. Dog, go away. Dude, rip. Dog, go away. Ah! What even is this dog right now? Piece of shit dog. I hate this dog so much. Here's dog face. Dude, what? Don't abuse your mod powers, dude. I'm too terrified to do that because then I'll lose the Yassi. Can I kill myself, please? Can I quit? Can I quit? Can I leave now? Can I stop? People are gonna be so confused when they come in. They're gonna be like, cat cam, so cool! And then they see his fucking monster dog. And be like, what? Holy shit, that was terrifying. Almost died. Mars, don't fucking do that shit. Just stop. Gotta bounce my way to the end. I tried. I really tried. Willy. Don't make me fucking purgy, Mars. I'll do it. Better watch out. What is the dog even doing? Special world. What? Someone help me now. I'm not gonna quit. I really need to practice the rest of the run. I'm really bad. Yeah, people in strats, rip. Not gonna happen. Yeah, oh, never mind. Rip. Rip, 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 rip. Love that thing that Area says when he fucks up. Oh, Well, there's area. I was just about to say all the thing area that you do, like when you say all the pastas, fettuccine, Alfredo. Have I tried not dying? I got distracted by the dog. I'm sorry. Like the dog literally came here and like closed my laptop and knocked everything over. Why? Can I stop? No. Where's the next pea balloon? There it is. Fucking come here, pea balloon. Pea balloon. Filled with pea. Oh, fuck. Rip pea balloon strats. It's gonna go bad quick. Gotcha. Dude, why? Okay, let's wait for the football. Oh, dang it, dude. I was so close. I'm sorry. Mushroom strats. I swear to God, if the dog starts barking right now. Oh my God, dog. Hey dog, stop.